Hello mga kasangga! Welcome back! Today, pag-uusapan natin isang topic na medyo controversial. Bakit 10W40 might not be the best choice for your motorcycle? Alam nating 10W40 ang pinaka-common na engine oil sa market. Pero common doesn't always mean best. So, let's break it down. Una, bakit nga ba sobrang sikat ang 10W40? Available halos kahit saan? Recommended ng maraming generic mechanics. Safe choice daw para sa karamihan ng motors. Good balance sa cold start at high temperature protection. Pero tandaan, popularity is not equal correct for your specific engine. Iba-iba ang makina, tolerances, design, riding habits, at climate. Kaya hindi automatic na 10W40 ang right match for you. Maraming mga bagong motorsiklo ngayon ang may mas masikip na engine tolerances. Meaning, mas maliit ang space between moving parts. Ang problema, mas makapal ang 40-way oil kapag mainit. Kung ang motor mo ay designed for 10W30 or 5W30, using 10W40 can cause heavier engine drag, less efficient oil flow, slower lubrication sa high RPM. Tapos, reduce fuel efficiency. Ang resulta, mas maingay, mas mainit, at mas mabigat ang takbo. Sa traffic tulad ng Manila, Cebu o Davao, sobrang prone sa init ang engines. Kung masyadong makapal ang oil, mas kailangan magtrabaho ng makina para umikot ang internal parts. This means, higher fuel consumption, mas mabilis uminit ang makina, harder acceleration, parang hirap huminga ang motor. Kaya maraming brands ang nag-shift to recommending 10W30, 5W40, or 5W30 for 2025 models. For motorcycle with wet clutch, oil viscosity affects how the clutch plates grip. Kung hindi bagay ang kapal, possible clutch slip, rough shifting, delay sa power delivery, o some users feel, bakit parang dulas ang clutch ko after oil change? Often, it's because wrong viscosity or wrong JASO rating ang gamit. Avoid or reconsider 10W40 kung scooter ang gamit mo. Most require 10W30 or MB rated oils. New model underbone or sports bike. Many are designed for lower viscosities. Lagi sa traffic, naghahanap ka ng mas tipid sa gas. Gusto mo mas responsive ang throttle and acceleration. In many cases, 5W40 or 10W30 gives better performance. To be fair, 10W40 is still good if luma ang motor, high temperature environment, long distance rides, moderate to heavy load always. Pero again, check your owner's manual. So that's why 10W40 is not always the best choice for your motorcycle. Ang tamang oil can improve engine life, fuel efficiency, smooth shifting, cooling, overall riding experience. Kaya mga kasangga, choose wisely, ride smart, and ride safe. Ito ang Silvestre.
Siguradong subok na